We're talking about how a smart sales system can, transform your business. Let's dive right in.
I'm excited to get into this. So, what's the big deal about these sales systems?
Well, it's like having a personal assistant that sells your products while you sleep.
Yeah.
I heard about this small bakery that had the most amazing pastries but couldn't get customers beyond their street.
Really? What happened?
So, they implemented a simple automated sales system, and within 6 months, they had lines out the door. It's incredible how a
No
good
way.
system can make such a difference.
That's amazing. So, what exactly is a sales system?
Basically, it's a structured, repeatable process designed to attract leads, nurture them, and turn them into loyal customers.
Mm-hmm.
Think of it as a well-oiled machine keeping your business running smoothly.
And why is that so important?
Well, consider this. 78% of small businesses fail because they lack a consistent flow of customers. Plus,
Wow.
companies with a defined sales process see 28% higher revenue growth.
Those numbers are eye-opening.
Exactly. So if you're still relying on, word of mouth or random social media posts, it's time for an upgrade.
Absolutely. So, what are the secret ingredients of a successful sales system?
First up, a lead magnet, something irresistible that attracts your target audience.
Right.
It could be a free ebook, a discount code, or a handy checklist.
Like offering a free 7-day meal plan if you're a fitness coach?
Exactly. And then automated follow-up. This is where the magic happens. Your system automatically follows up with leads via email or text. Tools
I
like
see.
GetResponse make it simple.
So, automation is key here.
Absolutely. Then there's the sales funnel, guiding customers from curiosity to purchase. It
Mm-hmm.
includes stages like awareness, interest, decision, and action.
Got it. Any practical tips on building this system?
Yeah, first, use AI to save time and boost efficiency. Tools like Reclaim AI help organize your time, and Content Studio keeps your audience engaged on social media.
Right. AI really is changing the game.
It sure is. And personalizing everything is another big one. Emails with personalized subject lines are 26% more likely to be opened.
Really? That's a significant boost.
Definitely. And don't forget about video content. Did you know 84% of consumers have been convinced to buy a product after watching a video?
No kidding. That's powerful.
Absolutely. Tools like Pictory and InVideo make creating professional videos easier than ever.
Mm-hmm. So, what are the current trends we should be aware of?
Well, short-form content is ruling right now. TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, they're driving massive engagement. Businesses
Interesting.
should definitely tap into that.
Agreed. What else?
Chatbots are another big trend. Imagine visitors getting instant answers on your website 24/7. Tools
Convenient.
like Video make that possible.
That can really enhance customer experience.
Exactly. And subscription models are thriving too. Recurring revenue is like, the holy grail for businesses.
Yeah.
Think about meal kits or digital services.
So, how does all this help businesses stand out?
Well, a smart sales system ensures consistency, increases efficiency through automation, and is scalable no matter the size of your business. It
Right.
makes you memorable in a saturated market.
But isn't there a risk of becoming too automated and losing that personal touch?
That's a valid point. But
Mm-hmm.
automation actually frees you up to focus on personal interactions where it counts.
I suppose that's true.
Plus, with personalization tools, your automated messages can still feel personal.
Good to know. So, any resources to help implement all this?
Glad you asked. There are incredible bonuses available, like AI hidden knowledge and undetectable AI content to supercharge your strategy.
Wow. Those sound amazing, but are these tools really accessible for small businesses?
Absolutely, they're designed to be user-friendly and affordable.
That's reassuring. Well, this has been enlightening.
I'm glad. Remember, implementing a strategic sales system can truly transform your business. The best time to start is now.
Definitely. Thanks for all the great insights.
My pleasure. Here's to taking businesses to the next level.
Cheers to that.